Emphasis can create power and aid retention when making a speech. And I'd like to show you just a few ways to do that. Number 1, ask the audience to repeat a key point. For example, you might make the point, there's always more to the story. You could then say to your audience, now turn to your neighbor and say, there's always more to the story. Your audience members turn, they look at their neighbor, and they say, there's always more to the story. You see, your audience not only gets involved, which automatically ramps up their attention level, but you get your point repeated, therefore reinforced. Number 2, use your voice to punctuate the point you want to emphasize. For instance, there's always more to the story. Or you could say it louder, you could say it slower, or you could whisper it. There's always more to the story. And number 3, you could enumerate. You could say something like, we have 2 major considerations. First, second. Number 4, you could pause. Pause before saying the thing that you want to emphasize. Then pause again after saying it. There's always more to the story. Number 5, write it on a flip chart in bold letters. There's always more to the story. Number 6, show a picture that illustrates more to the story. Number 7, ask the audience a question where your point is the answer. For instance, why is it so important to actively listen until the other guy has no more to say? And what does your audience respond with? Because there's always more to the story. You probably noticed that only 2 of the 7 ways I identified to emphasize a key point had anything to do with visual aids. That's because there are more interesting, creative ways that can materialize if you allow space to consider ways to emphasize without a physical picture. Of course, if you really want to reinforce a key point, you'll make use of each of the 7 ways just mentioned. You know, if you like this video and you're watching this on YouTube, you want to get more tips, why not go to the website at learntospeaklikeapro.com. Now, if you'd like to find out how we can help you or perhaps members of your organization learn to speak like a pro, then why not fill out the form on that website while you're there, or better yet, give us a call at 1-800-851-2270. We'd be more than happy to be of service to you.